In this module, we're going to learn about Cherwell Help Portal and KCS articles. Specifically, how you can access the KCS articles within the Help Portal. Well, first question is, what is a KCS article? Well, a KCS article can be thought of as a more robust knowledge base. Now, the difference between a standard knowledge base and a KCS knowledge base or a KCS article is a standard knowledge base is pre-created and it's filled with a lot of articles. It's just loaded, preloaded with articles and listings upon listings of topics that you can't imagine what will be in there. Everything from the kitchen sink to how to make soap. The problem with that is people spend so much time writing the articles. They're writing articles for every potential question, but over half the questions are never asked. So with KCS, the articles are not written until questions are asked. So therefore, you're spending your time answering questions that are legitimate questions. Therefore, you're spending your time more usefully. It's purpose-driven time. So let's start looking at KCS. And once you start seeing it, it'll look like most standard knowledge base. But now that you understand, it's questions that are logical questions. Questions that other people have had, not questions that people have dreamed up. So we're back in the portal. You've already seen that. But what we have up here in the upper right-hand corner is we have some searching going on. Now, I already have mine set for the KCS article, but if I do the drop box, notice it's called knowledge article. But notice how it's listed. So all you do is you want to click in there. What do you want to look for? Well, one of the most common things that I've noticed people looking for or asking the question about is, how do I get Office 365 installed on my personal machine? Be it a student or be it an employee. So we've created an article. So I'm just going to type in Office. I can either hit enter or I can click go. So we have a couple articles that appear. We have install Microsoft Office for free, something about a tax form, Microsoft Office for former students or employees, and your SIU email address creation. Well, only one of them looks like it's for free to me, and it's this very top one right up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on it. And notice what it tells me. How do I do it? There's a set of procedures. Microsoft Office is free from SIU by logging on to your account. Click on the cogwheel in the menu that appears. So it's a set of 4 steps. Then once I've read over those steps, I would go do them. And then I would determine, did this help me? Yes. Or no. And if it didn't help me, it would log a ticket so I could get the appropriate help. That is the purpose of this. So let's demonstrate that. We'll do it both ways. Yes, it helped me. So that one helped me. Now, let's go back and let's talk about a question. Can I do Office? Let's do this one. Let's do AutoCAD or Autodesk. It's going to be under Autodesk. Well, this is talking about I want to get it as a student. I don't understand this. Does this help you? I'm going to say no. Because as a student, I want to get Autodesk. So I'm going to say no. So that's what I'm going to put and click OK. Let's see what happens. And now it just created a new ticket on my behalf. You can also access KCS articles by clicking on Knowledge Base at the top and get a giant listing, and you'll see the popular knowledge articles, and you can do a search here. So this is just yet another access point for the KCS article. Again, you could click on Knowledge Base at the top, then enter your criteria here, or you could just simply enter your criteria here. Either way, you get to the same results. So this is how you use the KCS articles in the Help portal. I hope this was helpful.